Today, I will show you how to assemble the NUBI stroller. The stroller consists of the following components: frame with seat, foot cover, carrying belt, cup holder, rain cover, bumper bar. Start by unfolding the stroller frame. Slide the lock on the parent's handle and press this button. Now, lift the frame until you hear a click. It's time for the bumper bar. Put it in this hole. If you want to dismantle it, just press the button and pull it out. Mount the cup holder by sliding it here. Just put it on the bracket. On cold days, we can use a foot cover. Fasten it with snaps on both sides of the stroller. And when the rain surprises us, we can quickly install a rain cover. Put it on this way and fasten it with Velcro fasteners in these places. NUBI features a smooth adjustment of the backrest. The position is adjusted using this buckle. Move it and lower the backrest to the desired position. The footrests can be easily adjusted to the child. Using these levers, you can set the position on one of the 3 levels. To fold out the canopy, simply undo this zipper and pull. You can also clip in the fabric at the back of the canopy. To do this, fasten the loop to the clasp. If you want to use the brake, press its lower part until you hear the lock click. To unlock it, press again from above. NUBI has pivoting front wheels. If you want to lock them for straight ahead movement, slide this lock. To unlock, go back to the first position. The safety harness can be adjusted to suit both newborns and older children. The length of the seatbelt can be adjusted by pulling the belts out of the belt loops at these points. We can also adjust them like this. To fasten the belts, fasten them into this buckle. We can take the NUBI cover off for washing. First, dismantle the canopy, unfasten the Velcro and press studs here. Now the fasteners on both sides can be unlocked with a narrow tool. Next, unfasten the loops here and detach the canopy cover. We can also take the frame out of the canopy. Detach the bumper bar. Turn the stroller upside down and undo the straps on the bottom of the seat. Now, remove the fabric from the footrest. Then remove the fabric from the sides of the frame and from the guides. Detach these loops. Pull out the backrest height adjustment belt. Then remove the material from the whole stroller. Finally, pull out the stiffening inserts from the cover. To put the cover back on, do everything in reverse order. Before washing, remove the plastic inserts from the cover. NUBI folds very quickly and conveniently. Remove the cup holder and unlock the wheels. Slide the lock on the parent's handle and press this button. If you want to reduce the size of the folded stroller, simply slide the footrest under the parent's handle. Now fasten the belt here and we're ready to go. Have a nice trip.
Kindercraft. Easy with kids.